Hi, welcome again to the Nourish and Bloom community. I'm Maureen Wangpo, a nutritional therapist. Today we'll be making a diabetic-friendly lunch, and I want to use the local ingredients that are available here in Malawi. We have here what they call butterfish, very rich in omega-3. We get this from the Malawian lake, and it's really good for you because it's very fatty. And we have some spices that I'll be using for this. We have paprika, we have cumin, we have the garlic powder and dried parsley. We're using some of the garlic, olive oil, salt of course, and some lemon juice. Right now, the first thing to do would be to pat dry the fish. You can see it's a bit wet. So we're just going to pat dry this because we are baking this. We want it to come out crisp and nice by the time it's cooked. We're going to make some slits on this fish. We're going to marinate it with the spice, and we need the spices to be able to penetrate and give a nice flavor by the time the fish is cooked. So in goes our spices. We have the paprika, parsley, garlic powder, and the cumin. Please remember that this particular recipe you can use whatever local fish you have around you. I always prefer to ask my diabetic patients to use fish instead of red meat, because if you're having a problem with diabetic neuropathy, you have to cut out meat completely from your diet and just use fish. So I'll be using some of this garlic, adding on some olive oil, some lemon juice. About a tablespoon is all we need. This is just a marinade for the fish. A little bit of salt. I'm going to give this a good whisk to combine. So right now I'm going to start salting the fish, like I said, individually, opening the slits to make sure that the salt gets in. This, as you can see, is the fat. That's the amount of fat content we have in this fish. That's the fat that I'm talking about. See how oily my fingers are? That's good stuff right there. Making sure you're tucking the marinade in those slits. People spend money buying a lot of omega-3 supplements. If you have this, you're good to go. Trust me, if you can have 2 portions of fish, butterfish a week, you're good to go in terms of brain health, heart health. This goes a very long way to help. So right here we have our pan that has already been greased, and we're just going to place this on our pan. And I've been preheating the oven to about 210 degrees Celsius. We'll be placing this in the oven and allow it to cook. And I'll come back and show you how I like to serve this, especially when I'm serving a diabetic patient. So while our fish is baking, we'll be making some veggies, some stir-fried veggies to have with that. I love zucchini a lot because of the amount of potassium and magnesium it contains. Very healthy for you as a diabetic. So we'll be slicing this up. I like to cut it in rectangular shapes. I'm going to be slicing up some of these peppers. I don't need a lot, just a little bit. We're adding a little bit of black pepper onto the zucchini. I'm adding on just a pinch of salt. Don't need too much of the salt. We'll just give it a really good toss. So right here we have our pan that has been heating up for some time. I'll just be adding on some olive oil. The onions goes in. I'll be adding on the bell peppers. I like to add on a pinch of salt to this part of the vegetables. And I'll be turning that out onto this plate over here. I'll add on some oil on the pan. Get the zucchinis in there. And right now we'll be introducing our stir-fried peppers with the onions. Going to give this a good stir. And that's that. We have the veggies ready to serve with our fish. So this is how I like to serve my baked fish and stir-fried veggies. I serve it alongside this delicious sweet potato mash. We'll be showing the recipe for the mashed sweet potatoes in the next episode, where we share 3 amazing sweet potato recipes. If you do like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you like this, hit on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever new videos comes up, and don't forget to share with your friends as well. Thank you for sticking with us.